cloud storage service's primary function, like Microsoft OneDrive, is to keep all files in sync across devices. But if you are looking for a solution for an error like this, we will show you how you can fix that in this video tutorial. Now what you would do is you have to add the file into an archive and then delete the file after compression. Just make sure that you have something like 7-zip, WinRAR, or any file archiver installed on your computer to do this solution. In this case, we have a WinRAR data compressor. So assuming that we have a file in OneDrive that has a red X mark on it, we should right-click on the problem file or folder and then select the Add to Archive option from the menu. In the Add to Archive dialog box, select Delete Files After Compression option and then click OK to save the changes. Now, the problem file will disappear and an archive or zip file will appear in your folder in its place. Now you have to delete the archive file by right-clicking and then select Delete. Once you've done that, the error should no longer appear on your OneDrive. And that's it for today's video. Kindly like, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you would like to see more tutorials like this.